brainstorming today on a few things. First, let me post these. First, let me post these. Cool. So let me post this. And now that we've posted these, I am pulling at the chat and perfect. What I will do today is, if this lets me do that, perfect. Cool. All right. So we are going to talk about agentic experiences again. Sorry, I'm just trying to see that I can. Perfect. All right. Okay. Cool. No, that's not great. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we're what are we doing? Let's fire up our let's do Hermes for Hermes update. And let's take a look at Hermes. Let's take a look at Hermes. Let's just take let's just carve these out of here and let's go. Open source AI Hermes agent. Cool. See it in action. Install, configure. Okay, so we want to. I want to design the best learning experience, for, the best agentic learning experience ever, right? And that's important because OpenLesson.academy is here now. We have a new landing page with sort of an actual video of the software, so you know what to expect. And we also have actually, let me just push these. Oh well, it got pushed, but it didn't actually. Let me just do this for sure. The last version. It did not actually push. Just give me a second, guys. Or I'll just show the local version and then we'll see, because there's probably something wrong. But we have the new agentic version here. Let me just take a real quick at Vercel, a real look at Vercel, real quick. See why it failed. All the deployment failed. No, deployment went well. Okay. Like an hour ago. Why isn't that? Why doesn't it actually show up here? But it shows up here. Can you push? Maybe I didn't push. Maybe I. It's already clean and updated. Already pushed. That's odd. No, that's odd. OpenLesson.academy. I pushed like an hour ago. Why I don't see it here? Anyway, I guess I'll have to figure it out. I just don't see the. I don't see the agent changes. Anyway, we have to. Yeah, no, it was deployed. A5C126. Okay, that's weird. No, the commit is pushed. Oh, is it here maybe? No. I didn't see that commit, guys. Oh wait, maybe I should just go to Open Lesson. Let's just fix this, okay? Real quick. Open Lesson. Let's just fetch the deployments. The current deployment is A5C. It didn't go through actually, really. So the A5C, maybe on GitHub. Let me just, I'll get that fixed, guys. Open Lesson. I see this, but it didn't actually get fetched. I see it in GitHub, but it didn't actually get fetched by. How did you do this? What? No, it's okay. It's just a feature. I see it in GitHub, but not in Vercel. Okay. GitHub. Vercel. We'll check later. Oh, it's okay. This got yeah, it's weird. Maybe that's just the way it is. Anyway, sorry, I need a bit of juice here for the laptop. And no, it's actually there. It's actually there. B54. It's actually there. It's in Vercel. Found it. But I'm not really seeing it here. No. For some reason, the commit appears behind the A5C1265, which I think it should be the other way around. Sorry guys, it's just like a little minor thing. No, I'm not gonna touch these. I'm not gonna touch this. Let's just make dummy change and repush. Like I just want to cause that deployment. See, I think there's just yeah. Okay, and let's get to what actually matters. So what matters is these. What matters is I should pick it up soon. Yeah, okay, let's see if Vercel picks it up. Yeah, it's building. Cool. Anyway, so what matters is these. What matters is what happens with agents, right? So it's kind of like, and again, this is a bit BS. Like, I mean, because just Opus just wrote it, but the whole point here is, guys, that we want to get these to work with your agent. It's two things that I want to do, right? I want to there's two things that I'm thinking of right now. One is bring your own agent. Although that's not maybe the best, because we want to ultimately replace Helios, right? Helios is our tutor model, and we want this to be an end-to-end model at the end of the day, right? So we want to how to do this. I want to understand. I want to see. Okay, real-time voice interaction in Clee, Telegram, Discord. Okay, I want this voice mode with Hermes since on setup and uses partners with Hermes workflows. You want spoken responses in Telegram or Discord. You want Hermes sitting in a Discord voice channel for live conversation. That's what we want. We want a live conversation, and we want, maybe it's a Discord voice channel. That's a good idea, actually. Or even like an X Spaces, you know. So let's, okay, so make sure normal Hermes works first. What does it have available? Install the right extras. Microphone playback. Let's, can we try this? I have, wait, this is not what I want to. This is just, we'll close this for now. We have these, and what do we have loaded? We have nothing loaded. So we'll load Gemma 4. And we'll load with all the context. Why don't have reload here? Checked. Gemma 4. Okay, so we want Gemma 4. And I think now it's using it, right? Or if I go to, okay, so what's going on here? What? Cool. Unicode animations. A bunch of other stuff. Bundled skills. So you can now select provider. Okay, so Hermes model. This one. All right. Okay, so let's start Hermes, and then let's just check whether we can install voice. So the reason I want to do this is because, guys, it's a think aloud protocol. Like, wait, did it actually get deployed? Yay for agents, perfect. Okay, cool. It's an actual think aloud protocol that we want to implement here. Let's not actually fool ourselves, right? So that's the whole premise of this. Is we're implementing a think aloud protocol. So we need agents to we need voice mode. We need actually the agent to be able to tell you that we need to hop on a call, and you need to actually think out loud, because that's the whole point of these. We need to think out loud, right? We want that experience to actually happen like these. So, where I was going here with this. Where am I? I've missed the producer. Okay. So, let's just make sure that voice mode. Let's install voice mode. Okay, that's the goal today. Okay, install right access, clear microphone playback, messaging platforms, Hermes agent messaging, premium 11 labs, TTS, local, NOI TTS optional. What is NOI TTS? For voice cloning. Okay. Okay, cool. So there's actually some model. I think we would go with something like these. Well, we'll probably use CPU because we have the GPU with the model. I don't think I can load everything there. But okay, so we want voice mode with Hermes. If that is not solid yet, fix text mode first. Doesn't have available. Smart home, general gaming. Discord. Okay. Media. Productivity, smart home. Okay. Now install the right extras. Choose the SSD provider. Text, speech to text. If you choose new NOI TTS in the setup wizard, Hermes checks whether it is installed. If it's missing, the wizard tells and the system Office installed and for you installs it. Okay. HTTS. All right, let's try. Let's see. Let's try these. Clear microphone plus playback. Okay, so let's just Do I have to sudo for this stuff? Oh. Externally managed. Why can I do this? This is not externally managed. Let me ask Grok. If you wish to install a non-debian package, Python package, create virtual environments in Python 3. So what does it say? Basically, let's ask Grok. I'm not so sure what this is about. And get this on Ubuntu. I'm not so sure it's externally managed. We won't probably make it because I have like 10-15 more minutes, but we'll see if I can if I can finish it up today. Because I think the whole agentic experience is basically these, right? We want to be able to get on a voice session with the agent so that we can think out loud and that the agent can then send the stuff to the tutor. Really? No, that's not the point. And add voice support. So the really, I don't know, boys. This basically makes me install the stuff by hand first, and then just get the. I guess that's what it's doing. And then basically do these. No. If it still complains out externally managed, just activate the Hermes virtual environment first. How do I do that? You mean to... Linux. Really? Does this actually run? Okay, that's fine. Activate Hermes virtual environment start location. Is this gonna actually activate it? That's what I thought. I don't think this actually works like this. Hermes agent. Nothing like this exists, really. So this does not really exist. I mean, I don't know what if I installed it the wrong way. Maybe I installed it the wrong way. Maybe I installed it the wrong way. Sorry, just okay. What does it say? It's inside it, really. Hermes agent. Yeah, indeed, actually. Okay. Okay, now I'm in the virtual environment of. Okay, that's all good. Just go Chrome, and then let's just run the. Let's just run that. I didn't know Ubuntu doesn't let you do like install this kind of stuff like this. Yeah, but it's complaining about the same thing, bro. Extremely managed environment. Still the same. I have to run the Hermes beep? Really? Okay, that is weird. That's an exact. This is. That shouldn't be like these. Quick install with then these. Voice. Voice mode. I installed that, right? I installed that as dependencies. Hermes environment. Hermes. Should or should I actually ask it from the? These I installed for sure. Yeah, exactly. Voice mode enabled. Is it really already installed? But I mean, this didn't work, but like, okay. I'm just talking. So, okay. Stops on silence. What's your name? Yeah, okay, of course. I don't have as transcribing. What is it even using? I didn't even know you could do that. It actually fucking worked. Okay. No, I'm. Oh, great! It's actually recording all the time. That's interesting. Okay, so that it's actually recording all the time. Yeah, great. Do you know? Can you So can you teach me, please? So can you tell me what plugins do you have? Yes. Oh, do I actually have to give you an option? All right, let's. I'll stop here. I want to. Okay, it's not bad. It's not really bad. Voice client, but I still I think what. So what I want to do is, what I voice voice off. Okay, so what I want to do though is I want to. So it seems like this was already installed, but it's still that thing didn't work. But whatever.